preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station WXJ 93 Clydersville, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather,
the
test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Clydersville, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 100. Tonight, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Muggy. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming west after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Hot with highs in the mid-90s. Light and variable winds, becoming west around 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Muggy. Lows in the lower 70s. North winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming east after midnight. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the mid-90s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming west around 5 miles an hour in the afternoon.
Not what I wanted.
Friday night. This is a testimonial of the radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be automatically activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Savannah, Scott, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Louisville, DeKalb, Woodley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Holmes, Glen, Northford, Alaska, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, DeFrance, Henry, Price, Van Wert. And in Michigan, Darien, St. Joseph, Martin, and Oakdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Know a Weather Radio under local information. We now return to regular programs.